Hi everybody, Hulkster here. Let's obviously do an unboxing. So let's show you the box. Fucking thing. Big box, big box. This is from Japan. It's a lovely box. It's my box. It's not yours. Especially not yours, Moon. And also tell your mum to stop ringing me. I'm not interested, okay? She's fucking well below my level. Okay, Moon? Just tell her to fucking leave me alone. I've had enough. I'm gonna call the cops. You know all about that, don't you? Anyway. Yes, unboxing. I've been waiting for this for a while now. And it's an early Father's Day present. And yeah, I'm gonna open it. See what's in it. It better be what I ordered. Because if not, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. Right. Modelling Life. Oh, and I'd like to say thank you to Parcelforce for charging an extra 13 quid on top of customs charges because they're Parcelforce, and apparently they're special when they handle your parcel that they need to charge you extra money. Which is good of them, you know. I don't need my money. Might as well fucking go to Parcelforce. I've got no use for it. Fucking cocksuckers! Right. First thing we see is pink paper and just a little corner of what I'm getting, but not too much. Not too much. I like to tease. I like to tease you. Now some pink paper flying. Some more pink paper. Gokayo! Look at that. It's the pirate ship, the planey one, the trailer, the car, the shit sub. Pink Ranger Zord. Nobody cares about the Pink Ranger Zord, do they? No. Here you go, look. Gokai Gaidon! Gokai Jet, Gokai Trailer, Gokai Racer, Gokai Marine. Let's go Kaio. Ow, I just hit myself in the face with the box. Gotta love it. And there's my cannon. Boy, when it transforms. And look! Sneak preview of Magidragon, which is not in this box. Magidragon is not in this box, so Gokaio's trying to escape. We're down there, Gokaio. This one. This is the one that will upset Moon a little bit. This one. Gao-Lion! Look at that. It's Beast. Look. Lion Centaur mode. Or Shinken Gokaio. Let's look at the picture of the big ass sword. Look at that sword! Look at the sword. Look at the sword. So yes, I finally did it. I finally got myself a Gokaio. Look at that. Gokai Red. Shinken Red. Gao Red. Or, if you're in the UK, doesn't exist yet, Wild Force Red, who was a fucking prick and nearly ruined Power Rangers for all mankind. Samurai Red, who I'm still not sure about. He does look a little bit pretty to be a samurai, doesn't he? Let's be honest. He does look like he rather enjoys the Blue Ranger's cock. I'm just saying. There's nothing wrong with that. But you know, you can be gay without looking like a pufter. No, nothing else. No little catalogs or anything. But then it was a lot cheaper than CS Toys, so what are you gonna do? Anyway, that's my video. I will be doing a review on these bad boys. I promise. I will finish off my RPM Megazords, Micro Megazords. I promise. And I will review this bad boy because he's amazing. Proper Magic Dragon. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. That's a size comparison. Here we go. So yeah, it's yeah, I'll be doing that later as well. As well as, I don't know, say I wish it was Deca base, but it's the SPD Delta Commander base. So with the Delta Megazord inside. Woo! Anyway, I'm going now because I'm bored and I want to play my Go-Kyle. So I'll see you later, suckers. And yeah, fuck off.